Do you know the specific nature of quadratic polynomial or quadratic equation? Hello students, today we will learn about the specific nature of quadratic polynomial or quadratic equation. First of all, we have to understand the differences between quadratic polynomial and quadratic equation. There are two forms of quadratic polynomial, that is x square plus bx plus c, and also written as x square plus c. It is also known as pure quadratic polynomial, and it is also known as impure or mixed quadratic polynomial. But any polynomial has only factors, not zeros. It means that both are quadratic polynomial because it has degree of polynomial 2. The degree of polynomial of both quadratic polynomial is 2, so it is also called quadratic polynomial. But when it is written as x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 or x square plus c is equal to 0, then it is called quadratic equation. It is called quadratic equation. It is also known as pure quadratic equation and it is also known as impure quadratic equation. Quadratic equation has a definite factors and quadratic equation has a definite roots or zeros. Before solving it, we have to try the nature or a specific nature of a quadratic equation. That is, it can be determined by the discriminant. It is denoted by d. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. It is the formula of discriminant, which is act as an indicator, and by this formula we can find the specific nature of any quadratic equation or polynomial. There are mainly three conditions for this. First of all, if d is equal to 0, then its roots or zeros are real and equal. Second condition, if d is greater than 0, then its roots or zeros are real and unequal. Third condition, if d is smaller than 0, then roots are not real. When the value of d becomes less than 0, then the roots or zeros of quadratic polynomial or equation are not real. Not real means it can be obtained but as a virtual number, not a real number. D is smaller than 0 means the value of d becomes negative. D is greater than 0, it means that the value of d is positive, or d is equal to 0. It is clear that the value of d is equal to 0. As for example, two x square plus 7x plus 6. It can be compared by the format of quadratic polynomial or equation x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. It means that a is equal to 2, b is equal to 7, c is equal to 6. Now we determine the discriminant, that is d. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. 7 square minus 4, 2 into 6, 49, 48, that is 1. It is clear that the value of d becomes greater than 0, that is positive. So we can write the nature of quadratic equation, that is its root, its zeros or roots are real and unequal. Whereas a quadratic equation 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. Then a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to 5. Then determine the value of d, that is discriminant. d is equal to b square minus 4ac minus 3 square minus 4ac 9, 40 minus 30. It is clear that the value of d obtained as less than 0, that is negative. D is less than, then from given conditions, its roots, its zeros or roots are not real. Now here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to 4, then d is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 4 minus 4, 1, 4, that is 16 minus 16, 0. Here the value of d, that is discriminant, is equal to 0. Then the nature of quadratic equation becomes real and equal. It is clear that the roots or zeros of this quadratic equation is real and equal. Now in next video we will learn about the different methods to obtain the zeros or roots of given quadratic equation. Thank you. You can scan the code to share all articles in the PDF format.